Venice, a city that floats on water like a dream suspended between time and tide. Its canals whisper ancient stories, its bridges carry footsteps of centuries, and every corner feels like a scene from a timeless romance. Here, boats replace cars, marble replaces steel, and art blooms in every reflection. Today, we wander through the wonders that make Venice one of the most magical cities on Earth, a place that feels unreal, yet unforgettable. Fan fact about Venice. Venice is built on more than 118 islands connected by over 400 bridges, all supported by millions of wooden piles driven deep into the lagoon. Amazingly, these ancient wooden supports don't rot underwater. They turn into a stone-like material over centuries. This is why Venice, despite being built on water, has stood strong for over 1,000 years, a true engineering miracle hidden beneath the waves. Best places to visit in Venice. Number 1. Ponte di Rialto. The Rialto Bridge is the oldest and most iconic crossing over the Grand Canal, standing as a masterpiece of stone and style. Once the center of Venice's trade and markets, it still buzzes with life and energy. Its sweeping arch offers perfect views of gondolas drifting below. Whether visited at sunrise or sunset, the bridge shines with warm Venetian charm, a symbol of the city's golden history. Number 2. St. Mark's Basilica. St. Mark's Basilica glows with golden mosaics that tell stories from distant centuries. Its Byzantine domes, marble columns, and sacred treasures make it the spiritual heart of Venice inside. The shimmering Pala d'Oro dazzles every visitor. The basilica has survived fires, floods, and empires, yet still stands in magnificent glory, a masterpiece of faith and craftsmanship. Number 3. Doge's Palace. Doge's Palace was once the seat of Venetian power, a place where rulers governed a massive maritime empire. Its Gothic architecture, detailed halls, and grand staircase reflect centuries of wealth and influence. Inside, legendary chambers like the Hall of the Great Council hold stories of politics and intrigue. Walking through feels like entering Venice's royal past, a palace carved from history itself. Number 4. Piazza San Marco. Piazza San Marco is the heart of Venice, a wide, elegant square surrounded by historic buildings and lively cafes. People call it the world's most beautiful drawing room for its unmatched charm. From this square, you can see the Basilica, the Campanile, and the palace rising proudly. Pigeons gather, music plays, and the atmosphere feels alive. It is the city's grand stage. Number 5. Bridge of Sighs. The Bridge of Sighs connects the Doge's palace to the old prison. Carrying a bittersweet history, legends say prisoners sighed as they crossed, seeing Venice's beauty for the last time through its small stone windows. Today, its delicate white arch is one of the city's most photographed landmarks. Romantic gondola rides often pass beneath it, a place where beauty meets mystery. Number 6. St. Mark's Campanile. The Campanile rises tall above Venice, offering a panoramic view that stretches from rooftops to the glowing lagoon. Once used as a lighthouse and watchtower, it remains one of the city's most recognizable landmarks. Inside, a gentle elevator takes you to its sky-high viewing deck. The bells echo across the square with timeless majesty. A perfect spot to see Venice from the heavens. Number 7. Basilica Santa Maria della Salute. Built as a prayer of thanks after a deadly plague, this grand basilica stands proudly at the entrance of the Grand Canal. Its white stone dome is one of Venice's most iconic silhouettes. Inside, artworks by Titian and dramatic altars add spiritual depth. Every year, Venetians celebrate a festival of gratitude here. The church remains a symbol of hope and healing. Number 8. Grand Canal. The Grand Canal is Venice's main waterway, a glittering path lined with palaces, markets, and centuries of life. Gondolas, vaporettos, and wooden boats glide through its winding curves. Every building tells a story of nobility, trade, or art. At night, golden reflections dance across the waves. The Grand Canal is the beating heart of the city. Venice is a city like no other, delicate, timeless, floating between beauty and legend. Its wonders reveal centuries of art, resilience, and unforgettable charm. From glowing basilicas to quiet canals, each moment feels like a dream brought to life. As the sun sets on the lagoon and the gondolas drift away, Venice leaves its magic in your heart. Until the next journey, may its reflections stay with you. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel wonders.